diagrams which represent some appropriate simple method of reflection of light in the concave mirrors. Rule 1. The rays parallel to the principal axis get reflected such that they pass through the focal point of the mirror. This is a concave mirror. The rays coming from the source of a light. This is an incident ray. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis get reflected such that they pass through the focal point of the mirror. This ray parallel to the principal axis get reflected ray passing through the focal point of a concave mirror. Rule 2. A ray that passes through the focal point of the mirror will travel parallel to the principal axis after reflection. This is the incident ray passing through the focal point. Get reflected. The reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. A ray that passes through the focal point of the mirror will travel parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Rule 3. A ray passing through center of curvature of the mirror and incident on the mirror after reflection will travel along the same line but in opposite direction. This is the incident ray. It strikes the concave mirror. Then reflected ray travel along the same path and the opposite direction. Magnification M. The ratio of size of image to the size of object is known as magnification. Magnification is the ratio. It has the no units. Magnification M is equal to size of the image by size of object. Hi by H0. This is equal to size of the image, or this is the height of image. Height of image, this is the height of object. This is the ratio. In all the cases, the magnification factor is equal to the image distance from the pole of the mirror V, the object distance from the pole of the mirror U. M is equal to minus V by U. Magnification M is equal to Hi by H0, that is equal to minus V by U. It is an object. The incident ray parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray passing through the focus. This is the R1 ray. We will take the another ray R2. This ray passing through the focus get reflected. The reflected ray parallel to the principal axis. These two reflected rays are intersect at one common point. This common point is known as the image distance. This is known as, this U is known as the object distance. This V is called the image distance. This is the magnification. The magnification M is equal to Hi by H0 is equal to minus V by U. Rules mentioned for sign convention. Number 1. All distances should be measured from pole of a mirror. All distances. Example, it is an object. Object distance measured from the pole of the mirror. This image distance also measured from the pole of the mirror. Second one, the distances measured in the direction of incident light to be taken as positive. The distance measured in the direction of the incident light to be taken as positive. This is the direction of the incident light to be taken as positive. And measured in the opposite direction of incident light to be taken as negative. Third one, height of object and height of image are positive if measured upwards from the axis. This is the principal axis. The height of the object or the height of the image above the principal axis taken as the positive. And negative if measured downwards. This is an object, this is an image, height of the image. Downward of the principal axis taken as the negative.